Here I'm going to be talking about angles. The thing I want to talk about most is when taking photos of something like a building or a statue or something that's interesting in itself. A lot of people just take classic tourist shots from eye level. And one of the reasons that cameras have tilting screens now is so that if you're taking photos in live view, you can raise the camera above your head or put it down near the ground to get a more interesting shot. And this is a really good way of making something look more interesting. Like in this shot here, if this were at eye level, you wouldn't be seeing half of the building behind me or this clock right here. The point of this angles topic is to illustrate that putting the camera lower or higher than the eye usually sees the world is how you make shots look more interesting in a lot of cases, especially with a wide-angle lens. Like in a dense forest, pointing the camera straight up is usually a much more interesting shot than looking straight ahead. So when scouting or planning for a shoot, or just wandering around looking for good shots, always look for unconventional places or angles to put the camera at to get shots that most people don't see, because that's where you get interesting photographs. The next topic we're going to cover is lighting.